Hello my friends, how y'all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you what happens if you deep fry Surströmming. Well, let's check it out. The worst part about Surströmming is the smell, so I'm hoping the deep frying process will actually eliminate that smell. I guess we'll see. Alright, deep fryer is ready. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh. You get a big one. There you go. Oh man, it smells so bad. Oh. You know what? It smells even worse than in the can. Look at that. Look what happened. Nothing left. Just bones mostly. All the meat is probably went through these holes. That's crazy. Check this out. I think I'm gonna put one more. Smells awful. I didn't know it's gonna smell that bad. I thought it's gonna be opposite. The deep fryer will eliminate the smell. But you know what? That's not happening. Oh, this one, the one I just threw in here. Look at that. It's just falling apart. Pieces all over. That is crazy. Look at that. You know what? It's just almost nothing left. Pieces of meat everywhere. They just basically fell off. Look at that. I'm gonna try them, but I don't think it's gonna be good. Pretty sure it's gonna still taste awful. All these pieces. Wow. Just crazy. Not pleasantly looking, for sure. Well, let's try it out. It's unbelievable how many flies are here right now. They all want to try a little bit of Surströmming. It's crazy. You know, it still smells really bad. A little bit less than it smells right off the can, but still really bad. I'm interested to know if it's still salty or not. Pretty sure it will be salty. There you go. I'm gonna try it. Oh. I can't do it. Whoa. It's so bad. It's still salty, by the way, but it's really bad. I don't understand how people eat it. It's crazy. I'm gonna compare smells. Oh, yeah, this one is way worse. This still smells, but not as bad. I thought it would be easier to eat, but I think I was wrong. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Looks like all the flies in this area, they're over here in my garage. Trying to eat some Surströmming. That's funny.